022880. We've got Diana. G'day, Diana.
Oh, hello.
How you going?
Good.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning now. Well, I'd just like to talk about astral travel.
Yes?
All these weird things that are just coming out, like on the previous on previous program on Fiona, she's always got tall tales but true and all these things, and some of the things are so scary, you know? And what about this astral travel?
Well, what about it? Do you know anything about it?
Yeah, it's when the soul something leaves the body and goes into another room or another place.
Oh, yes. You've often heard about people leaving their bodies and not dying and then coming back or something. Is that what you're talking about? At a time of a person's death, basically?
Yeah, well, usually that, and they see a tunnel, but it can often happen other ways as well.
Yeah, well, I don't know. Do you know? I mean, I'm not really into all that sort of stuff.
Oh, it's just, I'm finding it really scary. It's just creepy. What is this world coming to, you know? And what about...
Well, hang on. This has been around for some time, though. I mean, this dates back, well, forever almost, I suppose.
Yeah, I suppose you could say that.
But why are you scared of it? I mean, I thought maybe people would find it a bit more interesting or curious about it.
I'm finding it very scary because I find anything that is like not material just really hard to grasp, and it's really hard.
Well, yeah, okay. People sort of see these things differently. I mean, I'm into ghosts. I believe in ghosts and all that. I've told a couple of things on the show of my experiences, my ESP last week or so. But I don't know. I'm told not to be scared of it. Sometimes you feel a bit, I don't want to know, but I think curiosity gets the better of us sometimes.
Oh, it does, yes. Like, I'm a Catholic myself.
Yeah.
My religion states you're not really supposed to believe in reincarnation. But there are just so many books that prove it, you know?
Sure. Well, when you get older, we were talking about this last night, but when you get older, things that you've been told in your younger youth, when you mature and you sort of see things through your own eyes, and you interpret things a bit differently. And I think that's probably what will happen with you. I mean, you're scared about something, but when you get a bit older, you probably say, oh, yeah, that's right, well, maybe it was that way, or something like that, you know? Anyway, thanks for your call this morning.
Oh, that's all right.